Alright guys, today I'm going to be showing you the proper way of climbing a tree and some other naturey stuff. But I'm not going to use that tree. That tree has bark. This one does not. So this tree. And I'm going to climb it and teach you guys stuff. It's important. So I guess here we go. Ow! Alright guys, now as you can see, that didn't work out too well, the whole tree climbing thing, so I'll try and teach you something I'm relatively good at, and that's penis fighting with a tree. Just gonna take this out here, a little shaky, just gonna go like this, angle the blade, Alright, now that I'm panting like a dog after sex, it's time to get hydrated with something of my favorites, Arizona green tea with go-go juice. That's refreshing. Whew. Yeah. On to the next thing. Alright. I'm going to show you guys the most important thing when you're stranded in the woods, I guess, and that's balance is everything. And here we go. Just gonna step, grab, don't fall, don't fall.
Alright guys, I was just showing you this. This is where we just climbed down to. We're probably going to do a few things down here. It's basically a 30-foot waterfall. And there's Jake over there. And this... Hi. But yeah. It's just amazing what you find out here in the middle of nowhere. After about a 20-minute walk. We had to climb up that little thing over there, and Jake's over there doing a little bit of parkour.
I'm okay.
Sure about that?
Yeah.
But yeah, this place is really cool. It looks like there's like some iron in the walls there. Looks like blood, but it's cool. There's Jake again. Get back out.
I'm good.
But yeah, that's about how steep we climbed up, basically. We're kind of right there. And yeah, we just kind of got our own little shower here too. It's kind of cool. But yeah, our pants are so dirty. I ripped my pants too. Favorite pair of pants. And
Want to show them?
yeah, sure. You want to pause the video and then we kind of turn around?
Yeah.
Here, here let's do you for here. Turn around.
Hang on.
Turn around. See, this is Jake.
I fell in the mud.
Yeah. All right, here.
And this is Slack.
Yeah, wait, here, let me turn around.
Here, let him turn around for you. He has stuff on his butt.
How bad? I mean, seriously, how bad?
I'll show you after this is done recording.
Oh, I'm sure. Alright, you can turn it off now.
Okay, I'll turn it off now. By the way, that was an awkward shot because I had to point the camera at his butt for a while, and no.
I know the feeling.
Yeah, it was probably awkward for him too.
It was a little awkward, yeah.
But anyways, I'm gonna let him see his butt now.
Sounded weird, but hey. Bucket list, man.
The butt list.
Oh, bucket list.
Okay, fine. I got it.
Is it cold?
Oh yeah.
What happened to your hat again?
It fell in the water.
Right there.
So cool. My nipples are so high. Why did I even have this idea?
Oh?
I hope you know how much I enjoyed this video.
That's okay, we'll just put in music here.
Okay.
Well, not here, this is kind of the outtake, just... In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. God, those acoustics in here are great.
I know, I love them.
Is this where you come to sing?
What?
Is this where you come to sing?
Yeah, it's like singing in the shower.
I'm singing in the rain. I'm singing in the rain.
I'm freezing in this rain.
Well, get out of it.
It's rain.
Get out of it.
I'm not in it anymore.
Oh,
wait,
no, there's some right
I kind
here.
of am. Okay. I think I'm gonna call this video quits.
Well, kind of. We do have some shout outs we need to do today.
Oh, yeah, I want to make a shout out to, I apologize because I don't remember all the numbers in your gamer, or your not gamer tag, but your username on YouTube, but Cooler, you're a consistent fan, you're always commenting and sharing my videos, thank you. Who else do I have to give shout outs to? My brain is frozen.
Well, I'll do some. We have the one who gave us the idea for the Man vs. Wild video, which is Emmy, who is actually probably right now getting ready to go to her prom. So good luck with that tonight, Emmy. Her sister, her twin sister Ellie, just because, well, she's always been a good fan. She always gives us good ideas as well. And
Wait, stop!
and it's even better because you're in a cave. But is there anybody else? Oh, and a shout out to Kyle, because his grandfather passed away a couple days ago. Our condolences to him. He's one of my close friends and Jake's. So condolences to him. And I think we'll call this video quits, and we'll talk to you next time. Bye. Jake's trying to get to the sun to warm himself up.
No, I'm done. It's gonna freeze.
Start running, right here.
Actually, I feel rather warm now.
Ah, see? Good job. Just an extra thing I thought it'd be funny to show you guys.
Alright guys, I'm going to be showing you how to properly climb a tree. Not that tree, this one. Because that looks like that would hurt. But I'm going to use this tree, and here we go.
I start
in mud. Tree fell.